Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So the unpairing is useful if, for example, you want to connect your watch with different device, or maybe you want to sell it, or you want to give it away to somebody. Basically anything that requires you to disconnect your watch from your account and your phone. And to unpair the watch, you can open the Zapp application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. And in the app, you should probably see the home page when you open it. Then tap on Device, and here you should see Balance 2 XT on the Device page. Scroll down through it and find the Unpair button. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you can see, as you can see, it gives you a warning about data being lost, because when you unpair your watch from your phone, it will reset itself to the factory default settings. But you can choose some types of data to retain, like local music, maps, app stores, apps, watch face, and workout history. You can basically check the boxes next to the data type you want to retain, and it will stay on the watch even though you reset it. So if you want to check some boxes, then tap on Unpair, OK, and Unpair. And the watch will start unpairing. Basically, it will disappear from the application and will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. As you can see, we have this tutorial here that basically we need to go to the Bluetooth settings. So close this, go to settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and on the list of my devices, you will see AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And once it's gone from the devices, we can close the app, the settings, and as you can see, the watch is done resetting as well, which basically means that the process is complete. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.